In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Bybit account to TradingView and trade directly from the charts. This seamless integration will enhance your trading experience by allowing you to place orders straight from the TradingView platform, which combines advanced charting tools with the trading power of Bybit. So, let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you can get connected and start trading efficiently. First things first, you need to make sure that you have both a Bybit account and a TradingView account set up. If you don't already have these accounts, you'll want to go ahead and create them because they're essential for this integration. Once you've got that sorted out, go ahead and log into your TradingView account. Now, once you're in TradingView, let's get you to the trading panel. You'll find this at the bottom of your TradingView chart interface. It might take a little scrolling to get there, but it's right there waiting for you to connect all your brokers. Once you're in the trading panel, you'll see a list of supported brokers. Here's where you'll want to scroll through and find Bybit. This list can be extensive, but don't worry, just look for Bybit. And here's a quick tip for you. You can add Bybit to your favorites. This will make it a lot easier to access in the future, so you don't have to search for it every time. After selecting Bybit, a pop-up window should appear. Now, this is where the magic happens. Click on Connect, and this will redirect you to a Bybit login page. At this stage, you need to enter your Bybit login credentials. Simply type in your information and double-check to ensure you've got it right, then hit Login and Authorize. This action links your Bybit account to TradingView, giving you the advantage of trading directly from the charts. Once authorized, you'll see a confirmation of the connection. With this, you are now set to start trading directly from the TradingView chart interface. It's as straightforward as that. However, there are a few important notes to keep in mind. First, TradingView limits the connection status to 24 hours for security reasons, so be prepared to reconnect periodically. Also, take note of the supported Bybit products. You can trade spot, inverse perpetual, USDT perpetual, and USDC perpetual contracts. And don't worry about account types. This integration supports both your Bybit main account or any sub-account you might have. That wraps up the process of connecting Bybit to TradingView for trading directly from your charts. With this setup, you can now engage with the market using sophisticated tools and a streamlined trading experience. Happy trading?